Hi everyone, this video just want to show you how to put up a silt fence properly. I'm fixing somebody else's work here, and that's the reason why is there's two mistakes here. One is that this silt fence here does not have a wire backing, so this is not Department of Transportation certified, and that's okay. I think the idea was that this is right next to a fence, but the wind still blows it and tore it all up, so it has to have a wire backing on this side too. Mistake number two is that some of the sediments or soil that was going into or covering the 4 inches or 5 inches of the silt fence have washed out, and a lot of them has been ripped out. So here I ripped out a section, and I'm redigging 5 inches, some of them a little bit deeper than 5 inches, maybe 6 inches, but should be good. So once I'm done with this, I'm gonna clean it up and put the silt fence in there and put the soil back to cover it up. Okay, so we're ready to put the soil back, and as you can see, if you did the job correctly, sorry about that. If you did the job correctly, all you have to do is just raise it up a little bit, tuck it in, and then put the soil back. So yeah, so this is the easiest part and the most satisfying part right now. But you still got to do it right for it to be able to stay for a long time. Okay, right now is about a month later after I installed the silt fence, and as you can see, it's holding up really well. Everything is pretty buried in there and nothing is coming up. So this is how it's supposed to be. You have to be buried inside the soil in order for the silt fence to work.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.